I run into this issue all the time when I'm trying to pirate some material, I would assume you would say. But long story short, I use VideoPad and I don't pay for it. It's unlicensed. You'll find multiple ways to figure out a hack for this, whether it's a keygen or just another hack. Long story short, you have to go into the registry of your computer, type in under the search thing, under run, registry editor, click that, make changes. Okay, so here, I'll show you just how this works. Okay, so if I go to try to export a video, it's gonna ask me to purchase it. And I don't want to purchase it. I want to continue to use this trial demo. So, again, I go into the search bar, run, whatever, type in registry editor. It'll pop up. Select yes. Go down until you see NCH software. So it's right there, NCH software. Open it up, open up VideoPad. This works with WavePad, any NCH software pretty much. WavePad, VideoPad, and I can't remember the other one. They have like 5 other ones, but go down until you see registration. Okay, mine's not showing there because... Hold on. Let's figure this out real quick. Exit, restart it, registration, open, registry. Now registration is there. I had to close it to restart it. It wasn't that long ago. I'm pretty sure you would have to do this every couple days. Depends how often you use the program, really. But it's very handy for 4K content, and it's pretty quick. And just to splice in audio over anything, it's pretty handy. So VideoPad, open that up, scroll down, you'll find registration. Again, hit delete. Once you delete this prompt, it gets deleted out of the registry editor. So now it's gone. Click close, export video file, I will purchase later now pops up. And now you're able to export under whatever quality that you want. I usually just do 4K on this because I use an Insta360 camera. Hopefully this is useful to you, and just with a little patience, it's pretty handy, and you don't have to pay for anything, but it's also quick because it also just saves under your search, so no issues there.